Hello everyone. Now in today's class, we'll be doing question number 77, which is given in your T.S. Garewal book on page number 5.101. Now the details of the questions are here in front of your screen. X and Y are partners sharing profits equally. They were equal partners. Balance sheet as on 31st of March 2020 is given below. Now here on the liability side, both capital and current account balances of X and Y are given. That means the capital accounts are being maintained by fixed capital account method. Creditors and bills payable balances are given and the total is 5 lakh. On the asset side, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fitting, stock, debtors, less provision, bill receivable and bank balance is given to us. Now Z, a new partner is admitted for 1/4 share under the following terms. Z is to introduce 1,25,000 as capital. Z 1,25,000 capital cash में लेकर आ रहा है. Goodwill of the firm was valued at nil. इसका मतलब मुझे गुडविल का कोई ट्रीटमेंट देने की जरूरत नहीं है. गुडविल स्पेसिफिकली लिख दिया कि वैल्यूड एट निल है, यानी कि इनकमिंग पार्टनर कोई गुडविल नहीं लेकर आएगा. और बैलेंस शीट में भी देख लीजिए, बैलेंस शीट में देयर इज नो गुडविल शोन ऑन दी एसेट साइड, यानी कि आपकी परचेज गुडविल नहीं है. It was found that creditors included a sum of rupees 7,500 which was not to be paid, but it was also found that there is a liability for compensation of workmen amounting to rupees 10,000. तो एक लाइबिलिटी आपकी क्रेडिटर्स में जो कि 7,500 की इंक्लूडेड थी वो नहीं होगी. देयर इज अ फॉल इन द लाइबिलिटी. और एक और लाइबिलिटी अराइज हो रही है, वर्कमैन कॉम्पनसेशन, which amounted to rupees 10,000. Provision for doubtful debt is to be created at 10% on debtors. Provision for doubtful debt आपने debtors के ऊपर 10% create करना है. In this regard, partners capital account, present fixed capital account method is to be converted into fluctuating capital account method. That means we are going to transfer the current account balances also to the capital accounts, and we are going to have one capital account, that is fluctuating capital account of the partners. Then next adjustment, F part, bills of rupees 20,000 accepted from creditors were not recorded in the books. Fine. There was one bill that was accepted from creditors and that was not recorded in the book. So we have to record it. And X provides 50,000 loan to the business carrying interest at the rate of 10% per annum. You are required to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, bank account, and the balance sheet as on that date. Let's start with the solution of this question. We know that X and Y, they were the old partners and they were sharing profits equally. And then Z is admitted to the partnership with your 1/4 share. And when he is admitted, he is introducing capital of rupees 1,25,000. So the first journal entry which we are going to pass in the working note is cash account debited to Z's capital account, and this amount is 1,25,000. बेटा ये जो कैपिटल को लेकर आ रहा है 1,25,000 is being recorded as capital introduced by the incoming partner. Then it says that goodwill of the firm is valued at nil, so no accounting treatment for the goodwill. So next step is to prepare the revaluation account, and the first adjustment for preparation of revaluation is that the sum of rupees 7,500 which were included in creditors are not to be paid. Are not to be paid का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा कि ये liability मेरी कम हो गई, and if there is decrease in liability, that is to be shown on the credit side of the revaluation account. So by creditors, and the amount is rupees 7,500. Next is, after that, there is workman compensation, liability for compensation to workmen, and that amounted to rupees 10,000. That means there is increase in liability. So we'll write 2 claim on account of workmen compensation, account of workmen compensation, and this compensation is of rupees 10,000. So 10,000 to be debited in revaluation account. Next is, after that, provision for doubtful debt is to be created at 10% on debtors. Now see, the debtors are 75,000 in the question. Let me show the working over here. The debtors are 75,000. Now, the question is asking us to prepare provision at the rate of 10% on debtors. Now, if we create a provision of 10% on debtors, then it will be equal to 7,500. Now, the provision should be of 7,500. Now, in the question, you see the provision given in the question is of 5,000. So, 5,000 provision is already created. So, the provision to be created in our books of account will be 2,500. So, when provision is to be created, that is to be debited in our revaluation account. So, to provision for doubtful debts, provision for doubtful debts, and this amount is 2,500. Next is, next adjustment is for preparing the fluctuating capital account. Then next is a bill of rupees 20,000 accepted from creditors were not recorded in the books. Now for this we have to pass a journal entry. The entry to be passed for this account will, for this adjustment will be, bill हमने accept कर लिया था बेटा creditors के लिए, तो bills of bill payable will increase and creditors will decrease. So the adjustment entry for recording this transaction will be, it is our F transaction. Let me record it here. It is creditors account. Creditor आपके कम हो गए. क्यों कम हो गए? क्योंकि आपने इनके बदले में bill payable accept कर लिया था. So to bills payable account, and the amount of this bills payable is 20,000. Fine. So my F entry will be your creditor account debited to bills payable account 20,000. और इसका हमको जो ट्रीटमेंट है ये हमें कहाँ पे शो होगा? इन द बैलेंस शीट इटसेल्फ. जब रिवाइज बैलेंस शीट बनाएंगे क्रेडिटर्स 20,000 से कम कर देंगे और बिल्स पेबल 20,000 से इंक्रीज कर देंगे. Fine. And the last adjustment, it says that X provide 50,000 loan. तो जो लोन X ने प्रोवाइड किया तो that will increase the liability. Now increase in liability will be X loan account, and हमारे पास फिर जो लोन की अमाउंट है वो हमारे बिजनेस में बैंक अकाउंट में आ जाएगी. So my entry, next entry for recording the transaction will be F के बाद जो G adjustment है, let me record it here. G adjustment, it would be bank account debited because बैंक में पैसे आ गए, to X loan account. X partner ने loan दिया था, loan account, and here the amount is 50,000. See, we need not have to do anything for the interest part. Reason being, this interest information is just given in the question for information sake. हमें इसकी कोई accounting treatment नहीं करना. Fine. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू X लोन अकाउंट 50,000 50,000. इसके ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट लिखा हुआ है हमें वो इंटरेस्ट का कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करना. Now you can see that now revaluation account is ready, and if we balance this revaluation account, there is a loss on revaluation. Loss on revaluation account, and this is to be transferred to the capital accounts of the partners. So total is 12,500 and we subtract 7,500. So loss on revaluation is 5,000. X and Y were equal partners. So the loss is to be borne equally in old ratio. So 2,500 each will be debited to partners capital account X and Y, and revaluation account is complete. So let's prepare the partners capital account. That is the next step. So let's first of all take the balance brought down from the balance sheet. Their fixed capital account balance is 1,50,000 for X and 1 lakh for Y. Now, since we have to convert this fixed capital account method into fluctuating capital account method, so let's transfer their current account balances to, so by current account, so current account of the partners, X का current account का balance given to me as 40,000 and Y का current account balance is given to me as 30,000. Then the incoming partner is bringing in, so let's say, though we have passed the entry when the incoming partner is bringing in 1,25,000 in the form of capital, we pass the entry cash account debited to your Z's capital account. See, bank is also cash equivalent, and in the balance sheet it's bank given, so let us replace here over by bank. So by bank account 1,25,000. So they are asking also in the question to prepare the bank account. Then the next adjustment is for to loss on revaluation, and the loss on revaluation is 2,500 debited in capital accounts of X and Y. Then to balance close down, the amount is 1,87,500. See, when you total this up, first let's total the credit side of the capital accounts is 1,90,000. It's 1,30,000 in Y's capital account and 1,25,000 in Z's capital account. So 1,25,000 balance in Z's capital account, 1,30,000 less 2,500, 1,27,500 in Y's capital account. So the total capital accounts are balanced. They are matched and we got the balancing figures also. 1,90,000 total in X capital account, 1,30,000 total in Y's capital account and 1,25,000 total in Z's capital account. So let's prepare bank account as a part of working note. And in the question they are specifically asking us also to prepare the working note. So to balance brought down, the bank balance given in the books of account is 50,000. Then the incoming partner, that is Z, is bringing in capital of rupees 1,25,000. 1,25,000 is the capital. Now see, we passed one entry for G transaction. If we recall, देखिए बेटा G adjustment जो आपकी क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है, क्या बोल रहे हैं that X provides 50,000 loan to the business carrying interest at the rate of 10% per annum. तो जो X ने प्रोवाइड किया है लोन, तो आपके बैंक अकाउंट में वो अमाउंट आएगी. So bank account debited to X loan account, and X the partner will become our creditor. Fine. And the amount of loan to be recorded in the books of account is 50,000. Remember, we passed this entry when we begin doing this question. सो अगर मैं इसकी एंट्री की पोस्टिंग करूं, सो 2x लोन अकाउंट and the amount is 50,000. So if we close this bank account, the total will be 2,25,000. So by balance closed down to be shown in the balance sheet, revised balance sheet which we'll prepare after this. हमने बैंक बैलेंस जो दिखाना है बैलेंस शीट में, that will be 2,25,000. I hope all this is clear up till this step. So let's begin with posting the first capital accounts in the balance sheet. On the liability side, we have calculated the balances of X, Y and Z capital account. X capital account 1,87,500. Y's capital account 1,27,500. यही निकाले थे अभी हमने capital account के balances. And Z capital account 1,25,000. Then there was creditor. Now see, what amount are we going to record? Creditors बेटा हमारे पास 1,30,000 के थे, जिसमें से हमने क्या कहा 7,500 की लाइबिलिटी रिड्यूस हो गई है. फाइन, 7,500 की लाइबिलिटी रिड्यूस हो गई है. एंड दिस एडजस्टमेंट क्रेडिटर अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट. अब क्रेडिटर अकाउंट डेबिट होने का मतलब क्या हुआ कि क्रेडिटर्स जो हैं वो 20,000 से रिड्यूस हो गए हैं, क्योंकि इनके बदले में हमने बिल्स पेबल एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. तो क्रेडिटर्स आपके 20,000 से और रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे. सो द बैलेंस ऑफ क्रेडिटर टू बी शोन इन द बैलेंस शीट विल बी 1,02,500. एंड देन वन मोर लाइबिलिटी, बिल्स पेबल, will arise in the balance sheet at rupees 20,000. Then one more liability arise, that is of workmen compensation. Workmen compensation, and that liability was of rupees 10,000. That liability was of rupees 10,000. Fine. And rest बिल्स पेबल 20,000 के आपके अराइज हुए थे एंड बेटा 50,000 के और थे. सो 20 प्लस 50 बिल्स पेबल विल बी ऑफ रुपीज 70,000. अब देखो यहाँ पे बिल पेबल 20,000 के प्लस हो गए और बिल पेबल आपके पास बैलेंस शीट के अंदर 50,000 के ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं. तो 50,000 प्लस 20,000, 70,000 टू बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द बैलेंस शीट. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द एसेट साइड. एसेट में बेटा लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग कोई चेंज नहीं है. लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग में फाइन. एंड दिस अमाउंट टू बी रिकॉर्डेड इज 1,50,000. देन प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. Plant and machinery, again no change, 1 lakh, same amount we'll record. Then after that furniture, no change, हमने कुछ नहीं किया. furniture में भी we'll same record furniture at the book value 25,000. Then afterwards stock, again no change, stock to be recorded at the same book value, that is 75,000. Then debtors. Now debtors were 75,000 less provision for doubtful debt, and we created provision of 2,500. 5,000 का already provision था, so less 7,500, and the debtors, the net amount to be recorded on the in the amount column is 67,500. Then bill receivable, no change. BR would be 30,000. And your bank balance. Bank balance we recorded at bank account. We recorded at 2,25,000. And one more. If you recall, हमने जो एक बेटा एंट्री रिकॉर्ड करी थी X लोन अकाउंट. X हमारा बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में हमारा क्रेडिटर बन गया. Fine. So we will write X loan account over here, X loan account, and this amount is 50,000. Fine. So let's do the total of the balance sheet on both the sides and see whether it gets matched or not. So the total on both the sides are 6,72,500, 6,72,500. Now the balance sheet gets matched. That means we have done all the adjustments and prepared all the accounts correctly. I hope the solution of question 77 is clear to all of you.